Who hasn't changed their password? And suddenly, after a while, we forget our screen lock? Let's say this also happened to you. You changed the screen lock, the password or a PIN. And after a while you go to enter it and it says incorrect password or pattern. Well, if this is your case, I recommend you watch the step-by-step video tutorial before you do the following, because there is a method that we can enter. But at the time that we suddenly have our device, right now we have our phone and we are going to restart it. This cannot be done, since if we want to enter our device, but if we restart it we will lose this access. Then suddenly, if by mistake or you did not know you restarted it, you lost this access, then we would have to reset our phone. We would have to format it. We would have to do what is a format or a hard reset. We would be resetting everything to factory settings. But here I can give you one of the easiest solutions that can happen. And as we had told you, you can also recover all your information, because the most important thing we have on our phone is the information we have here. That said, let's say we enter it and it locks us. It tells us that our phone was locked. But in 30 seconds we will be able to have another attempt. Well, having the pattern options is a little easier than having a PIN, because with a pattern we can try many patterns, but yes, it is possible, because I have already done it and I have recovered my device by entering several patterns. But what happens here? If you want to recover all your information, what we have to do, as I told you, is not restart the phone. We are not going to restart it. We do not restart it because if we restart it, we lose this function. What is the function? Most phones always have it, which is to enter with the fingerprint. If you forget the screen lock, you can enter with the fingerprint for those devices that have the fingerprint option. What do we have to do? A backup. By accessing with the fingerprint, we make a backup and recover all the information we have on our device. Once we have all that information, we have made that backup. Now we can format it, because the pattern, when we forget it, lets us change it. It only lets us enter by fingerprint. But if you are going to restart it, if they restart your device, it restarts. It will not give you access to enter by fingerprint. It cannot be restarted because it will lose, and it will ask you to verify the entry with the screen lock.